Hey guys, it's Mel for South Texas Tactical with our little video of the week. It's Thursday the 16th, and here's where we're at, guys. As you can see, we already have the parking lot in the front. There's air-conditioned units already for the store on top, and we have one of the big units. There's the crane, and we're getting the other side of the big units on the roof. Anyway, let's go and check it out, and we'll take the I'll show you how they're bringing the air conditions up on the roof. So here we are. The second machine is going up in the roof, the second air condition. Thank you, sir. Okay, so that's the second air conditioner of the range on the roof. Let's go check out inside, see what's going on. Well, instead of going inside, I brought you to the roof, guys, so that you can see what's going on. They're setting them on the curbs. Anyway, let's go downstairs and check out the inside, which is almost finished. So here we are, guys. We're going inside. And let's see. Okay, everything's already painted. They're working on the false ceiling. Offices are painted. Now we got to start putting all the boards that we used to hang the guns. We're getting closer. We're getting closer. Our problem is the electricity still. So let's go back into the range and see how we're doing back there. Gunsmithing room. We're missing the door to the vault. We're going to do that pretty soon. Let's go into the range. Everything's painted right here already too. The rental room is already painted. Everything in the back is painted. Range is where we left it the other day, but got the motors on already. They're painting the walls. They're putting the primer on the walls. Go to the other range. And we're basically same place there still. We still got to put the motors and stuff, but they're working on it. I believe in about 2 more weeks, guys. 2 more weeks we should be very advanced in this place and almost finishing. Anyway, Mel reporting for South Texas Tactical. Take care, guys.